Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the fourth part of our 2021 Business Awareness Session जिसमें हम लोग कई सारे important MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे related to business field, for example finance, economy and various other important companies including banks और अगर उनके कोई important mergers या acquisitions होंगे हम उनको भी डिस्कस करेंगे. Alright friends, so this is going to be a very important session आपके आने वाले सारे एग्जाम्स के लिए. So please watch it till the end and also attempt the assignment question जो कि वीडियो के एंड में होगा. And as always, you can contact me on these social media platforms, or you should also visit novation.in where you can find various quizzes in terms of vocabulary and quantitative ability etc. और अगर आपको Novation का content अच्छा लगता है तो आप novation.in पे जाके Novation को डोनेट करके सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. Alright friends, so with that I'll start today's session. So the first question: who among the following has been recently appointed as the chairman and managing director of SIDBI, that is Small Industries Development Bank of India? So friends, the person you are seeing in the photograph is Mr. Sivasubramaniam Raman, and he has been appointed for a tenure of 3 years. Next, Atal Innovation Mission has signed an agreement with which of the following organization for seeding future innovators and entrepreneurs? So future innovators और entrepreneurs को seed fund provide करने के लिए अटल इनोवेशन मिशन ने पार्टनरशिप किया है एक Dassault सिस्टम फाउंडेशन के साथ. And they are going to jointly work towards providing a digitally rich ecosystem for innovation in India and providing STEM-based innovation. So STEM, basically its full form is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Based on these four fields, they'll provide funding for innovation and entrepreneurship among aspiring young minds across India. Next, which of the following information technology giants has launched the Sambhav Venture Fund to invest in startups and entrepreneurs focusing on technology innovations in small and medium businesses? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Amazon. So this is actually known as Amazon Sambhav Venture Fund, and this is a $250 million fund which Amazon is going to provide for the help of various aspiring entrepreneurs and business holders and small businesses. All right, so that they'll be able to build brand new businesses. Next, the engineers of which of the following countries have created or developed the whitest paint ever? So another interesting question. Here the correct answer is D, United States of America. So the engineers at the Purdue University in US have created what they're calling the whitest paint yet. So according to them, this is the whitest one, and if a building is coated with this whitest paint, what will happen is they will not those buildings will not a cooling system, they will automatically be cooled because जो paint होगा वो इतना ज़्यादा white होगा कि वो सारी sun rays को reflect back कर देगा. Okay, so it will reduce the need for air conditioning. Air conditioning की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So another step toward using non-conventional ways to keep ourselves cool. Next is LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation of India, has joined hands with which of the following payments app to facilitate its digital payments? Very important question guys. Here the correct answer is C, Paytm. So कई सारी digital payment companies ने इसमें bid किया था. There were around 17 payment platforms which bid for this collaboration with LIC, but LIC contract was won by Paytm because of its aptness to straddle multiple payment services worked in its favor. So ज़्यादा वहाँ पर traffic भी ज़्यादा handle कर सकता है Paytm, and LIC found that they can have multiple payment services through Paytm. That's why Paytm got this award, got this deal. Next, name the Indian cryptocurrency investment platform that has raised $25 million in a Series B round of funding from Tiger Global Management. Friends, cryptocurrency तो भी बहुत ज़्यादा famous हो रहा है इंडिया में भी. So this is an important question. So Coin Switch Kuber, which is an Indian cryptocurrency firm, it has raised $25 million from Tiger Global Management. And this marks the New York-based Tiger Global's first ever investment in an Indian cryptocurrency firm. पहली दफ़ा Tiger Global Management ने अपने इंडिया में कभी फंडिंग प्रोवाइड की है टू अ cryptocurrency firm. Next, name the first ever women chairperson of IT industry body NASSCOM. सो NASSCOM को फर्स्ट टाइम विमेन चेयरमैन मिले हैं, वो है ए रेखा मेनन. आप इनको फोटो में भी देख सकते हैं. शी इज़ द चेयरपर्सन एंड MD ऑफ एक्सेंचर इंडिया. इस कंपनी की ये चेयरमैन है. एंड शी हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द फर्स्ट वुमेन चेयरपर्सन ऑफ IT नॉन गवर्नमेंटल इंडस्ट्रियल बॉडी. सो दिस इज़ अ टोटली नॉन गवर्नमेंटल बॉडी, जो भी इसमें कोई भी गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस नहीं होता है. सो इट इज़ द नेशनल एसोसिएशन ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर एंड सर्विस कंपनीज. नेक्स्ट, which private bank has approved the reappointment of Amitabh Chaudhary as its managing director and CEO for 3 years with effect from 1st January 2022. So अभी भी ये उस बैंक के MD हैं और आगे भी रहेंगे from 1st January. So which bank this is? This is C Axis Bank. Okay. So the appointment will be subject to approval from RBI and shareholders of the bank. So अभी उनको tentatively इन्हीं को post मिलेगी, but अभी भी RBI से इनको approval लेना पड़ेगा. All right. Next, e-commerce giant Flipkart will open its largest fulfillment center in Asia in which of the following cities? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Gurugram. Gurugram में ये fulfillment center open किया जाएगा. And Haryana government has approved around 140 acre of lands for this establishment. और जिस price पे दिया गया है वो है around 3.22 crores per acre. All right. Next, in which of the following countries L&T, that is Larsen and Toubro, will set up 1.5 gigawatts to their solar PV project, the country's now largest solar plant. So किस country में L&T सबसे बड़ा उस country का solar plant बनाने जा रहा है? It is going to be C, Saudi Arabia. Let's see the PTN. So this project will be will get established in Riyadh province, and it is being built on a 30.8 square kilometer plot of land. So that's a huge amount of land. Next, another one related to Flipkart. So for strengthening the supply chain and technology infrastructure, Flipkart made a strategic partnership with which of these organizations? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Adani Logistics. So उनको logistics और supply chain के लिए ही उन्होंने partnership किया है Adani Logistics के साथ. So Flipkart will work with Adani Logistics to strengthen Flipkart's supply chain infrastructure and further enhancement in its ability to serve its rapidly growing base of customers. Next, which country's government is going to take over the 100% shares of Airtel Tigo from Bharti Airtel and Millicom International Cellular? So friends, किस country में Airtel अभी work कर रहा है, Airtel and Millicom साथ में, and now it is going to sell over all the stake to the government. So here the correct answer is B, Ghana. Ghana से Ghana की government जो है, it is going to buy all the stake from Airtel now. So in April 2021, the government of Ghana made an agreement with Bharti Airtel and Millicom International Cellular to acquire 100% shares of Airtel Tigo. So this is a very important question in terms of your acquisitions. Okay, so please remember it. Next is, which firm partnered with Tata Steel to implement the world's first blockchain-enabled paperless transaction in the steel industry? Friends, here the correct answer is A, HSBC. So HSBC is basically going to be a investment banking company, and it has joined hands with Tata Steel so that it can execute a blockchain-enabled paperless trade transaction of export of steel by Tata Steel India to Universal Tube and Plastic Industries in UAE. All right. Next, which financial company partnered with MasterCard and launched the world's first QR credit card, ConQR? So friends, this QR code will be on the face of this card, and through this card, people or the card holder can easily make transactions or accept payments. So here the correct answer is C, Bank of Baroda Financial Services. The cardholder can use ConQR card to accept cashless payments. That is, they can use QR in the cards to make payments and also receive payments through the card itself. Next, which of these digital financial companies is the first video-based wealth community for its user to lively interact with subject matter experts? Friends, here the correct answer is D, पेटीएम. So let's see the PTN ताकि हमें और अच्छे समझ में आ पाए. So Paytm Wealth Community is India's first investing community based on video and will enable its user to attend live sessions and conduct face-to-face talks with subject matter experts on stock market, F&O, IPO, ETF, mutual funds, etc. So अगर कुछ भी आपको डाउट है आप वीडियो के द्वारा सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट से डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हैं थ्रू Paytm Wealth Community. Next is, which of the following Indian firms has made it to the list of top 100 most influential companies in 2021 by Time Magazine? So friends, इस top 100 की लिस्ट में इंडिया से दो कंपनीज शामिल हुई हैं, वो है Byju's and Jio Platform. So here the correct answer will be your both B and C. Now friends, we are at the assignment part of the video. आप मुझे इसका इन दोनों का आंसर प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. पहला क्वेश्चन है, BSNL has joined hands with which bank to provide seamless telecom services at competitive market rates? So आप मुझे इसका आंसर बताइए. नेक्स्ट, who has been recently appointed as the financial secretary of India? दोनों का आंसर आप मुझे बताइएगा ज़रूर. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप द वीडियो वॉज हेल्पफुल और आपने बिजनेस वर्ल्ड के बारे में बहुत कुछ आज सीखा होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करिए. आप इसको शेयर कर सकते हैं आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ. एंड आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू कि अगर आप नोवेशन पर पहली बार आए हैं सो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. And as always, please visit novation.in. Here you can get various quizzes. You can get various PDFs of these lectures which I upload on YouTube. And also, if you like the content of Novation, you can always go ahead and support us by giving your important donations. Alright, so I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.